The most memorable admissions essays that I've read are usually when students take the time to talk about themselves rather than a person outside of their individual experience. We don't do interviews here at Umass Amherst, and so the opportunity for them to tell who they are in that space is really the best opportunity for them to really tell us who they are, what they stand for, what they'd like to do on our campus. So the most memorable essay in the last 11 years that I've read was in my second year, where a student wrote about how their parents wouldn't allow them to have Cocoa Pebbles as part of their breakfast cereal options, and how that kind of set off a chain reaction over their lifetime on how it kind of set them out to where they are today. And it was really creative in that they brought in all the areas of growth that they had throughout their life experience.